Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please, I want to beg you to subscribe, and also remember to tap on the notification bell for updates each time I upload new videos. Okay, in this video today I'll be sharing how to cut a loose blouse or top. This blouse is a very simple blouse. In fact, it is do-it-yourself DIY blouse. You can wear it on any fitted trouser or skirt. Okay, so if you're interested, let's get started. You can see that I have a paper here, so I'll be using this paper to, illustrate to you how to achieve the folding, the cutting and all of that. So then I can now proceed into cutting with my own fabric. So I will not be showing this on my fabric, so I will just cut, but I will show you how to achieve the folding and the cutting aspects. Okay, so assuming this is my fabric, so the very first thing you are going to do is to consider the length of your top. Okay, so for my case, my length is going to be 30. Okay, you can make yours longer than that, it's your choice. Okay, so my length is 30. So I'm going to measure from this point to this point, 30 inches. So once you get from here to here, 30 inches for your length, you fold it. So let's just assume this is where my 30 inches will be. So I'm just going to fold this like this into two. Okay, you fold into two this way. So then after folding this way, you also consider your shoulder measurement. In my case, my shoulder measurement is 16 inches. 16 inches divided by 2 will give me 8. Okay, so that is my shoulder measurement. Then after doing this, you will now also consider how long you want your sleeve to be. Okay, how long you want the sleeve to be. So for my case, I want about 8 inches. Okay, you could do 7, in fact, let me do 7 inches. So 7 inches plus my shoulder measurement, which is 7 inches, which is 8 inches, will give me 15. Okay, now I said that my shoulder measurement is 16 divided by 2 is 8. So this 8 plus the 7 inches that I want as my sleeve, so altogether I'm having 15 inches. Okay, so now you measure, place your tape at this point, then you measure 15 inches. So assuming 15 inches will take you to this point. Okay, then you can now put your finger there, or you note the place and fold over. Okay, fold over this way. So these are the measurements that you need to consider. The first is your length of your top, and the second is also your shoulder measurement, plus the how long you want your sleeve to be, the sleeve length. So this is all that you need. So for this tutorial, I'll be cutting the neckline, and the measurement I'll be using is 3.5 by 3.5. If you are a plus size, you can do 3.5 by 3.5. Okay, if you are maybe from like size 8 to probably 12, a small size, now you can do 3 by 3. 3 by 3 is fine for you. Okay, so because I'm a plus size, I'm going for 3 by 3.5 by 3.5. So I'm going to measure from here, from this folded edge, 3.5 inward. So from here down, my depth, neck depth is 3.5 as well. So I'm just going to curve it this way slightly. Don't make the curve to be too deep. Okay, so this is all that we need. All right, so now you go to the neck, sorry, the sleeve opening. Of course your sleeve must have an opening. So that you measure your armhole, your round armhole measurement on yourself. In my case, mine is 18. So for a plus size like me, you can do 18. Sorry, yes, 18. That would be 18 divided by 2 will give you 9. So for a small size, you can do probably 7. So it also depends on the size. Okay, so you can even make this kind of top as a ready to wear, just a giveaway kind of for your business. So it's really very easy. So for me, I'm going to be doing 9 inches. So now from here to this point, I'm going to measure 9 inches. Except you want the slip opening to be very loose. Of course, it's also a style, it's also a kind of design, okay? Because it's a loose top, so it doesn't really matter if the sleeve is too opened or whatever, okay? So now from this point, from here to here is my sleeve opening, and the rest, you know, is my length. Of course, we know that from here to this point is our length. So then that is all we need to do. So you can just curve it a little from here. You measure like 1 inch inward, and you just curve it this way. I hope you can see. You curve it this way. That's all. Or you can as well leave it like this. No need of coming in by 1 or so. It also depends on you actually. So I'm just also giving you, you know, tips on, you know, what to do and all that. So just an idea actually. So this is what we need. So this is like I say, is a DIY tutorial. So it doesn't really, it's not something that is so stressful at all. So we are done. We are done. All we need to do now is to cut. So just cut this way from the down part and just curve it a little this way. So now I have my top. Can you see how nice it is? So all you need to do is to make a belt for it. You can make a fabric belt, just cut like 5 inches, you know, width of fabric, and let it be very long. You can multiply your waist measurement by 3 inches if you want it to be very long, or you multiply by 2 inches, okay? So, and once you make the fabric belt, you can now use the fabric belt to shape it, okay? So each time you wear it, you wear the belt and tie. So by that time, it will give you this kind of shape. Of course, it will bring the fabric together and, you know, make it to hug your body. So this is all you will have, and it's a very lovely, very simple, and also beautiful. Okay, so this is all we need to do. So all I will just do is to ensure I finish, you know, this neckline with a bias. Okay, so or you cut like a bias strip like 1 inch in width, and also make it long so that at least it can go round the neck, or you use the ready-made one that you get from the market, and you also use the same bias to tape the sleeve opening as well. So once you are done doing that, you can now close it with maybe 1/4 of an inch or half an inch, so whichever one you feel, you know, it's okay, but I think half an inch is better at this point, or 1/4 of an inch. So I think this is all we have on this DIY tutorial, and I also want you to subscribe to this channel. Please, if you're yet to subscribe, ensure you do so, and you can follow me on Instagram as well, Facebook. So thank you so much once again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.